And where is Jojo? Jojo's somewhere around here. Right, can you see him? Yes, you should be able to see him just there. Where are we? Oh, oh, they're fighting over they're both male, but I put a sort of nesty thing there anyway for them. That's Jojo, that's Toby, sitting at opposite ends of this nest. Well, there's a surprise. Oh, she likes the apple by the looks of it, and so does Jojo. Naturally, Jojo thinks this belongs completely to him. My apple. But Beverly got the apple in the end. I love how every new thing belongs to Jojo. This whole platter belongs to Jojo as far as he's concerned. Nibbling on the apple. Now Jojo's actually quite clever, and when he's inside the cage, or in fact when he isn't, when I'm trying to get him in, he will try and feint going one way and then flying the other way to avoid my net. So he knows intimately the little rod with which I point at him to tell him to, you know, it's time to fly away. And he has a habit, when I show it to him in the cage, of sticking his wings out. You see, he's looking at me now because I've just picked it up, and he's just started staring at me with that eye that tells me he's going to point that stick at me. Ready? Ready? Look at his reaction. It's when I lift up the stick. It's an incredible reaction. Who told you that you could eat out of this? Eat out of the packet? Naughty! Look. Very naughty. So next time I pick that up, all the seed's going to fall out of the bag because he's drilled a hole in it.
Hey!